Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, thanks for watching this video. Today I'm going to show you how to remove and replace the lawnmower blade on the EGO Power battery operated lawnmower. First thing I want you to do is make sure your battery is removed. You don't want this thing accidentally turning on somehow while you're trying to remove the lawnmower blade. Next thing you're going to need is a Phillips head screwdriver and a 9/16 wrench or a socket if you have one. So the next thing we're going to do is lay this lawnmower up so the blade is facing us, and I'll show you how to do that really easy, real quick. First thing you're going to do to lay it up on its end is undo these latches here. You're going to slide the handle down. You're going to grab this lever right here and pull this handle all the way towards you until it's folded. Sorry about that bad view there. Until it's folded all the way down right here. It's locked in place. Snap those down and grab this handle and lay the lawnmower up just like this, and it will stay like that. Okay, now that we got it tipped up and the blade is facing us, you want to turn the blade until you locate this hole right here. You're going to place your screwdriver in there, and that's going to prevent this blade from turning too much when you're trying to loosen the bolt and tighten it back up. We're going to go ahead and get into position. We're going to loosen the bolt. Once we got it loose, we can take it out. After you remove the bolt, set it aside, remove the washer, take the blade off, sharpen it, or get your new blade, place it back on the exact way you took it off, place the blade on, put your washer back on, get the bolt, get your wrench, set the blade in place, get it nice and tight, take the screwdriver out, and you're good to go. Now you just need to lay this down and go mow your grass. Thanks for watching the video. Anybody can do this. Just follow the video and you guys can do this. I'm pretty confident that anybody that watches this video will be able to do this job. Don't be afraid. I will see you guys in the next video. Give me a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, thumbs down. Share it if you know anybody that has this lawnmower and they need help changing their blade. Saves you a lot of money, so you don't have to take it to a shop or pay somebody else to do it. I will see you in the next video later on.